Good day, sir. My name is Janel Putisaya. I'm gonna discuss today the chapter 6 of Banana Heart Summer, which titled Floating Faith. So, the delicacy that I will discuss today is float, or what we know as palitaw. So, in the story, Tia Coring is the one who made palitaw, and she has a son named Basilio Rodolfo. So, Basilio is a radio broadcaster who read the request of Colonel Love song of the listeners. And Basilio has a girlfriend named Miss Victoria Valenzuela. And Miss Victoria Valenzuela came from a wealthy family. And one day, Miss Vivi's family came a visit to Basilio Rodolfo house. And take note, the conflict here is how the Miss Vivi's parent doesn't agree with her relationship with Basilio. And that day, they come to Tia Coring's house, and Tia Coring serves them her specialty palitaw, and it helps them to change the opinion towards Basilio and Miss Vivi's relationship. So in the story, Tia Coring's palitaw, which is the mother of Basilio, serves as the bridge to Miss Vivi's family to give their blessings to Basilio and gain their trust. So it is not just a delicacy for them, and it is symbolized hope and faith on how the palitaw erased the doubt of Miss Vivi's family towards Basilio. So in the story, the float or palitaw symbolizes as faith and courage towards our endeavors. So it shows how the palitaw became a strong foundation towards Basilio and Miss Vivi's relationship. It built a strong foundation and a strong fracture that it cannot be broken. Even the family of Miss Vivi's change how they see with the relationship with the help of palitaw. So it shows that even a simple food or a delicacy can be powerful towards any relationship between other peoples. It can also create a bond with each other, and it can help them to build a stronger relationship towards each other. So for that, learn in the story of Banana Heart Summer chapter 6, Floating Faith, is how a food can be powerful, and it shows how Miss Vivi's family changed their pananaw towards Basilio and Miss Vivi's relationship. So for me, it is true our kasabihan na the way to win a man's heart is through his stomach, and which we know as foods or delicacy. And it shows, and also learn it na don't just fight for a relationship and make other people's happy.